Meet the all-new Dyson V12s Detect Slim Submarine. Dyson's first all-in-one wet and dry cordless vacuum cleaner. Engineered by Dyson to solve the challenges with existing wet and dry formats, the Dyson V12s Detect Slim Submarine provides users with a multifunctional and versatile cleaning solution to remove dust, spills, and stains, all in one Dyson. Using a combination of hydration, absorption, and extraction technologies, the Dyson Submarine takes hard floors to the next level of clean, for a clean floor finish. To achieve this, Dyson engineers designed an 8-point hydration system, using a pressurized chamber for even water distribution and optimal saturation across the full width of the roller. The 300 ml clean water tank covers flooring up to 1,200 square feet. A slightly larger 360 ml dirty water tank ensures no dirt or debris is transferred back onto the floor, and the roller remains saturated with clean water from start to finish. With the Dyson V12s Detect Slim Submarine, you're getting the latest in Dyson innovation, an all-in-one wet and dry cordless vacuum cleaner for 62,900 rupees in India. What are your thoughts?